just cut it off, naira note.
Yes.
We want this naira note. From the make of benefit to Nigeria. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough is enough.
Look at us in the bank, waiting to collect money.
Let's leave it.
Exactly. This is what we need. Yes, but if you don't do like this, they won't know how it is. Global Bank.
We are in front of Wemapa. We just left UBA. We are going to all the headquarters of the various banks we have in Nigeria. The new naira note belongs to all of us. We have gone to ATMs. We cannot access this new naira note. We have gone to banks. We cannot access this new naira note. We left.